My name is Linda Pearson. The restaurant that we own and operate is Dinah's Chicken. We're open 7 days a week, 10 hours a day. It's 4 generations involved. We're blessed to have our grandson Clayton bringing us to actually another level.
Dinah's Chicken been around for 53 years. What makes it special to me is seeing all the customers and all the clients come in and say that, their grandparents used to take them here and now they're taking their kids here.
We sell 2.5 to 3 tons of chicken a week. We're just working hard to run a business.
Our staff is what helps us day in and day out, 7 days a week. We do want this to be a place where somebody can take pride in and somebody can make a living here. When COVID hit, we really had to talk it over with my family and see what our next steps were going to be, how we were going to address the staff.
When they shut down the dining, and really every day was an unknown, once we heard about the PPP loan to hopefully help our staff out, I just diligently was on the computer trying to figure out how we were going to get it.
Just having Citibank there to answer all of our questions was a big, big help. Once we found out that we were going to get the loan, my grandmother and I, we were pretty ecstatic.
It was so exciting to finally receive the PPP loan through Citibank and be able to have a staff meeting. We were actually right in this front of the store in a big circle as I shared what we had received and how we were going to distribute it.
We couldn't do this without our staff, employees that have been here for 40 years, some of them for 20 years, 15 years.
The added blessing of having our customer base coming in and feeling like this is their Dinah's, it's a reward for us also.
Try and deliver the same great nostalgia, the same great food, the same great feeling that everybody feels when they walk into our doors. And just really trying to serve the community that we have for the last 53 years and hopefully for the next 100 years. In a time of struggle and a time of stress, just having the PPP loan to really help out was a sense of relief.